So today I am just out of the shower and I'm going to start getting ready. I am meeting some friends at the Megan Hess exhibition. Megan Hess is the illustrator for Sex and the City, I believe. I'm not too familiar with what it is and what is going to be there, but seeing some pictures, it looks absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to kind of take you through my process of getting ready. I'll show you hair, makeup, outfit, and then some clips throughout the day. So stay tuned. The red lip one. So I just called my taxi. I'm running so late, but my outfit, I just picked this brown leather jacket, a white button down, and then I have this. I have like a cute little black bralette underneath. Let me try to see if I can get some cute shots. Taxi driver. Hopefully they don't pull up and I'm just kind of squatted here, but yeah, we're going to Seoul Forest Station. Solitum, I think, is the spot, but I'm gonna hopefully get some really cool shots.
this video, and so many of the clips I filmed aren't on my computer. They just have disappeared and did not load, and there's just a lot of clips that you are now not going to be able to see, but hopefully I'm able to kind of explain stuff at the end so you can get a gist of what was all there. So I'm so sorry, but hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
It is many hours later. I am home looking super cute. But I just wanted to give you a quick little review about what I thought of the exhibit and show you some of the goodies that I picked up. Also, sorry if this is a bit wobbly. I'm filming on my bed and I have a real janky setup right now. So the wobbling is going to happen. I apologize. But it was so beautiful, so stunning. They have these pamphlets that they were handing out, and this is a lot of what you would see, just these beautiful sketches, and when you see them, the detail and the color, you could just see everything. My drawing skill is stick figures, so I could say I was very jealous walking in there, wishing I was able to even have just a speck of the talent that was on the walls. When you open it, there is a beautiful picture of Megan Hess, who is the illustrator. She is the one who has drawn everything in there. They also give you this wonderful little map. So there's 10 different areas, 10 different rooms, plus there's these 2 little extra areas that do not have really her drawings anywhere. They're just kind of for fun. So they have Megan Hess. Everything was in Korean, so I couldn't read any of what the explanations were for some of the things. So I'm sure that would give information about her, how she started. Coco Chanel would be number 2. Sex and the City is number 3. Luxury Iconic, The Dress, New York, Paris, Fashion House, Clarice, Pink Room. Now, I'm going to say for me personally, I liked seeing all the Louis Vuitton or Dior, everything that was mixed into it. I really, really enjoyed red carpet. So when you walk through, you're literally on the red carpet. And then there's the screen. I'm sure I have a video in there somewhere. Oh, I forgot. The ticket. The ticket is also just stunning. Are you kidding me? Oh, get me out of there. Probably my favorite, I don't know, I liked them all. I really couldn't pick. I did really enjoy the dress right after the red carpet. So when you would go in, there is a catwalk and there's just dresses and all of these celebrity names that she had drawn. Even without reading the names, you could see who they are. Just looking close, you see the detail that she put into everything. Absolutely stunning. 10 out of 10. Would recommend, would go again. It's really beautiful. So if you are in Seoul till March 30th, I would go because it's almost over. So definitely go check it out. I'm going to show you guys some of the little things I bought. First, I got a notebook. I actually bought 2, but I gave one to my friend. This is the one that I got, and you see it's part of Paris. You see some of the buildings and the hot air balloons. Just like the detail. Are you kidding me? And then there is the woman who is in the hot air balloon drinking a martini. You can't really see. It's a pug. It's a dog. There is a little dog in there. And there's actually, I'm just noticing this now, almost all of the hot air balloons around have people inside. Like this one has a couple. This one has another woman. There's something happening here. I'm not sure. I can't see it. This notebook has no lines inside. It's just plain white paper. I got 6 of these postcards with me right now. They all have such beautiful illustrations on them. I think this one is one of my favorites. And then I also like on the back, they have basically what the pictures of. This says Lace Riviera for this one. Paris Galeries Saint Germain is this one. Paris Fashion Week, French Girl, Ladies in Paris. So here's just a quick look at the rest of them that I got. And then this is the last one. This is just also another great example of the kind of artwork that you would see walking through the exhibit. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, so stay tuned for more. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.